Good morning, Patterson Elementary School. At this time, we will have our 2020 new member Junior Beta virtual tapping ceremony. Students are invited into the Beta Club based on the 4 pillars of the Beta organization: achievement, character, service, and leadership. We will first recognize the 5th graders who have achieved Beta status. When your name is called, please join us in the gym to receive your letter of invitation. Breck Benton, Miley Kaysen, Madison Hill, Danielle Love, Walker Metz, Grayson Sykes. Congratulations, 5th graders who have been added to our existing members in the Beta Club. Now we will recognize the 4th graders who, by their 3rd grade achievements, have been invited into the Beta Club at Patterson Elementary. When your name is called, please join us in the gym to receive your letter of invitation. Hunter Altman, Kennedy Atkins, J.C. Barber, Jaden Cruz, Cooper Davis, Sophie Davis, Emmett Drawdy, Addison Eccles, Ryan Griffin, Charlie Harwood, Wynn Hodges, Hunter Johnson, Brayley Luke, Simon McEwen, Cale Murray, Cabela Reddick, Kenzie Reddick, Mason Ross, Jace Rowe, Thomas Stovall, Carter Taylor, Charlie Taylor, Riley Thompson, Lee Thornton, Coley Thrift, Melanie Tomlinson, Briley Walker. Congratulations to the new PES Junior Beta members. We thank you for your attention this morning, and remember to congratulate your classmates on this achievement.